time. You are Thor, the god of thunder. But is not thunder just the sound of lightning?
He's taken Asgardian children.
Asgardian problems are Asgardian problems.
How the mighty have fallen. My hero, Zeus, afraid.
One, yes, I am scared. Gore has the Necrosword, which means he could kill us. Two, I know you're trying to do the right thing. I understand. But all you do is cause panic. We are safe here. So chill, baby cake. Three, don't talk back to Zeus. I flick to her. I put your clothes back on.
Flick, flick! This is the golden temple of the god.
If you're not gonna help us, then at least let us use your weapon.
No!
Is this the purpose of the gods? To hide away in a golden palace like cowards? Maybe we have lost our way. You know what? We'll stop him ourselves.
I am afraid I cannot allow that. The god Butcher could use you to find us. You must stay.
Can we do my plan now?
Yes.
Hell yeah!
Coming, guys!